Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. Today we are taking a look at the brand new release of the Seasons of the Witch Yule Oracle. This is by Lorriane Anderson and Juliet Diaz and is illustrated by Giada Rose. If this looks familiar, it's because we have reviewed the Season of the Witch Sew-In Oracle last year. So I'm really excited to get into this one. I really liked the concept and the idea that it's based around this season. So now we have Yule. So this retails for $21.95 in the US and $16.99 in the UK, published by Rockpool. And the back, let's take a look. It says, "And the wheel turns. Yule reminds us of warmth, happiness, and a time to be thankful for all that we have. For centuries, ancient healers have celebrated the restorative energy of the Yuletide festival, the traditional harsh winters reminding us of our impressive ability to weather through storms and find support and comfort with loved ones. In Seasons of the Witch Yule Oracle, you'll discover 44 healing messages to align you with the divine wisdom of the year's darkest night and the joyful celebration associated with the winter holidays. This oracle is your path to deep reflection and tranquility and is a promise of the brighter days to come." Oh, I love it. And oh, I'm hoping if we're seeing green foil here, that means we will probably, hopefully have green foil around the edges. Well, let's hope. Oh my God, we do! Okay, so here is the inside of the box. Oh my goodness, that is so exciting. Very festive. I love it. Okay, so let's just take a peek-see at the book real fast to see if there's any pertinent information. Ooh, we got some color printed here. So we have about the authors and then the illustrator. Let's take a look at how to use the card. And then we have a page number for each of the cards, which is fantastic. Okay, information. The call for diversity in magic. We want to send you our deepest and most sincere apology for not showing up for people of color in our previous deck of this series. I am so happy with this statement right here because that was my number one complaint about their first deck, was there was a severe lack of that. And I am so happy because I thought that I did see some representation in this deck. So fantastic. Thank you. We are POC authors and we have long recognized the call for diversity in magic. Magic comes in all shapes, colors, sizes, and what seems like an unlimited number of ways to practice. Let's see. That's awesome. Okay, I won't read everything, but that is awesome, awesome, awesome. We've done and redone many cards to infuse a more robust cultural presence within this deck, and we have every intention of improving on this as the series goes on. Awesome. All right. So we have a lot of information here. A note on religion, and here we go. How to use the cards. Speaking them aloud as a declaration, intention, and you can use them as daily guidance, intention cards, reflection cards, and then we have some spreads. I know this is a little bit long and you want to see the cards, but I just want you to see exactly what you're getting in the guidebook. So you have 3-card interview with your deck, the Christmas Cross Tarot spread, Evergreen Wreath, awesome. Wow, you get a lot in this one. The Star Tarot, the Winter Care spread, and a New Year Ahead. Love it. And then it goes into the cards. Okay, here we go. Let's get this plastic thing off. We don't need it. Here is the back. Oop. All right. Settle down, phone. Stay in there. I love this. Love the gold foiling. I'm excited. Let's get into it. The cards are a little thin, but I believe that is the same thin, the same cardstock as their first deck. And I didn't have a problem with the first deck. It is a little glossy. It's not terribly glossy. No borders, so that's fantastic. I love this. I'm going to try to make it so you don't see all of the crazy reflections, but As usual, I cannot control that. Oh my gosh, cute. So if you don't know, this is all about imagery, things involving the season of Yule. So I'm really excited that they're continuing this as a series, because the Samhain Oracle was really cool. It involved a lot of the traditions and things that you would experience and do for Samhain. So I'm excited to get to know this deck. I like that this one has a little bit more color to it too. Ooh. It has the title, the number, and then we get a little blurb about it as well. So very easy to use if you're a beginner or just starting out with divination. This is stunning. Ooh. Love. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Ooh, yay. We have a Father Christmas. Love that. I love the images. Yes. The cards are sticking a little bit, but it has to do with that foiling. So just be careful when you flip through that you're not ripping through. Love. And the Oracle deck art is up there. I love that. Okay, I am so far really pleased with this deck. Gorgeous. We finally have some Christmassy, I'm going to say Christmas, but you know what I mean, that time of the year deck. I think the only other deck that I have that's related somewhat to Yule or Christmas would probably have to be just the Nightmare Before Christmas tarot. I don't think I have anything off the top of my head that is specifically Yule related. So this is awesome. Love that. They're very pretty. I love the addition of the animals. That is really cool, the antlers cradling the moon. Ooh. Aw. Adorable. Oh, I love that. That's really cool. A little spooky. And the Yule Log. Let me know if you guys have made a Yule Log. I have not done one. I like the idea of doing one, so if that's something that you would like me to try for a video, please let me know, because I mean, I have a fireplace, but it's not an actual working fireplace. But I have a fire pit. So that might be something we can, figure out. All right, let's see how these shuffle. And I'm sorry in advance. Don't take me shuffling the cards awkwardly as they shuffle wrong with the Band-Aid. It's just I can't shuffle really well right now. Oh, yeah. I don't have an issue. They are very flexible, but they snap right back into place. I don't have a problem with that. But just be aware that if you have a foiled edge or a gilded edge like this, it will wear down. It's the natural way of how it works. So don't get too upset if by using the deck it will wear out. I mean, it's just how it goes. Yeah, they shuffled just fine. Okay, can I get a card to read, please? Oh, that was 2. All right, so we're gonna read for Mother Mary. And it says, into the arms of a mothering embrace swells a wisdom full of grace. In thy bosom where she whispers sleeps the eye of winter. All right, so let's see how that reads in the guidebook. All right, keywords would be mother, nurturing energy, and wisdom. And it says, Mother Mary is known as the seat of wisdom, and when she appears in your spread, she guides you to seek wisdom in the divine powers that be. The universe, God, Spirit, the all-powerful creator, your spirit guides. What you name this power doesn't matter. What is important is that you know you can call on this force anytime you are in need. The universe will lift your spirits, comfort you in hard times, and guide you on your path when you are lost. Just like a loving mother will always be there for you in your time of need. Additionally, this card reminds you that we all have feminine energy. This energy is nurturing, peaceful, and moves mountains with a soft and gentle touch. Your situation requires you to trust that all will be well. You cannot move forward with force. To do so would only destroy the magic that is already making its way to you. This is especially true if you are feeling overwhelmed or burnt out. Be still and let the universe support you. I really also like how, I mean, it's not the be-all end-all, but I really appreciate how the guidebook has the colored images as well. Love this. I love that they are incorporating aspects of Christmas as well. I did want to just compare real fast whilst I have the other oracle here. The card stock, the card size, see what's going on with the differences. So they're the same size. I love that we have the same imagery, yet the hands are different. We have bow ties here, and we have little branchy black, almost thorns. And if we look, the colors are a little bit more faded out on the Samhain one. The colors are a little bit more drab. And then in the Yule, we still have some drabness, but we have color coming back a little bit. I really like that little difference, that subtlety. The cardstock is very, very much the same. I don't have an issue with that, like I said. And then the guidebook here still also is very similar. It has the colored pictures printed in there, and we do have a lot of spreads in the sewn one too. So very consistent, very much a awesome series that I'm hoping they will continue continually do. I'm excited to use these seasonally. I'm going to be using the Sew-In Oracle a lot in the next month and a half. So yeah, that'll be exciting. Depending on when you are watching this, I'm filming this in the middle of September. So all in all, I'm really happy with the choices that they decided to make with this new deck. I'm happy that they listened to the community. I'm happy that they're continuing on with this kind of cohesive look throughout. So that way you can kind of have this more precise and similar reading for each season. And I like that it's included a lot of different spreads for you. And it just seems a very much like a passion project. And I love that about this. So highly think it's worth the price tag. I'm excited to start using it. I'm curious now to know what you all think about it, because it tickles my fancy. I'm not gonna lie. I love that they added all different ages, different skin tones, body. Well, I mean, we do have a lot of similar body types here, but that's okay. Because a lot of it is, you know, they're doing the thing. They're listening. And so that's what's important. And, you know, I do have to say that artists and authors that listen to the people that they are selling their product to and make the changes and make the revisions and really work toward, you know, being inclusive, that to me is something to admire and to want to support. It's the people that, you know, turn a blind eye or don't care and just want to continue to either A, be problematic, or B, just not listen and continue on doing their thing because either they think they're right or they really don't have that connection with their community. That's when we have some issues that we need to really think about whether we want to support that particular author / artist. So I'm happy they listened. I'm commending them in the long drawn out explanation is I am commending them for listening and taking in all of that into account. So I'm proud to say that that's awesome. Anyway, enough about me rambling on. Let me know what you guys think about this down in the comment section. I know a lot of you were excited about it, but we're a little hesitant because of the previous deck. So I'm happy to report that it has definitely gotten better. So again, thank you so much for hanging out with me, for spending your time with me. I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. All right, everyone, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.